Hi everyone. Welcome to this training of Microsoft 365. So initially we have to first of all deploy Microsoft 365. In the live environment, we need to understand, we need to discover what kind of environment they are looking for, what is their requirement. We will understand the requirements and accordingly we will proceed. However, since this is our training environment, today we will be purchasing two licenses. For each license, we get to create 25 users for free. So with two licenses, we should be able to create 50 users. So the agenda is we will be deploying Microsoft 365. We will be creating global administrators. We will be adding custom domain. But before that, first of all, we'll have to purchase the Microsoft 365 subscription. So for that, we'll go to Microsoft's website. We will type search for buy Microsoft 365 license. Once we go there, we would be able to see the options. And we'll be going for the cheapest one, which is the 3,245. However, we also have an option to try for free for 1 month. So we'll be going for this. Once we click on this, we go to the screen where you'll have to enter your debit card and credit card details. It won't be charging you, but it is just for the auto pay. Just in case you still you wish to continue, you can go ahead and pay for it after 1 month. Okay? So for one user it's 3245, for two users it's 6,000. Okay. So now once we click on try for free, it will give you option that, and then that's how we will. I've already done this, so that's why it says the account already exists with another Microsoft service, which is this one. We do that the law-abiding Indian on Microsoft.com. Now, once we go to the home screen, we should be able to see the users. Okay, so if you see the users are at the on Microsoft.com. So no one wants to keep a domain like that. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be going ahead and adding the domain. Okay, okay. So in order to add the domain, we'll show you from the beginning. Okay, we'll enter the domain over here, the custom domain over here, which is the law-abiding Indian.publicvm.com. This is for free. That's why we get this for free for 1 year. Okay, so that's why we're on for it now. Click on continue, and we have to enter the txt records. Okay, so how do we enter it? Okay, so for that we have to go to our domain provider. Okay, which is in my case this is my domain provider. Okay, and if you go to DNS, manage your DNS, we reach to this place. And here we can go ahead and add our txt record. Okay, so we click the add txt record. So txt name we will enter. Let's see, what is the txt name? Yeah, so this is the txt name. We copy this. Okay, and then we go to our domain provider. We enter the txt name over here. Why would it show like that? It looks like it's not getting copied, so we'll go there once again. Yeah, okay, it looks like it's already copied. Okay, I see, so it was correct, right? Okay, so that's fine, we will just leave it. We go ahead and copy the txt value. Yeah, so this is the txt value. What should be the ttl? Okay, let's see what should be the ttl. ttl is 3600. Okay, so we'll go ahead and enter 3600 over there. 3600 minutes, or it is 8 hours. 3600 minutes is how many hours? It is 3600 minutes. So 60 minutes, 60, I think 60 hours, right? Let's see how many minutes it shows here. It shows 3600, okay, but not sure what the 3600 is. Anyways, We will just click on add txt. Okay, so this is added. We click on save changes, and then again we will go back to the same place in admin center, and here we will click on verify after that. So let me show how the verify looks like. Okay, anyways, it's here. Might not be coming in the screen. So I clicked on verify. Now let's say it is trying to verify the domain. We didn't detect that you added this new record to the law-abiding engine. Make sure the record you created at your host exactly matches the record shown here. If it does, please wait for the system to detect. Change these 10 minutes, although some Linux 40 drops. Okay. So we will wait for this and we will try again later. Okay. Now let's see. Make the new record match the TXT record shown here or the MX record if your host doesn't support TXT. Okay. So our host does support TXT. Okay. So we are fine with the addition of domain. Now, as discussed, we will be creating the global admin. Okay. So I've already created. So in order to create the global admin, we have two options. Okay. Either we can go here, we can add a user. We will create test one. Okay, we create test one. We go to username, we create test one. There won't be any space. Okay, and then password is required. Okay, so the password is strong. Oh, that should be there. Now click on next. No thanks. Assign user license. Click next. Now over here, if you want to create a user, we can create a user. If you want, we can go to admin center access, and here we can go ahead and provide the global access. So if we select admin center access, it will give us the access, the option to create a global admin. Okay, so it's not required because I already have two global admins, one exchange admin. So I'll just create one user. Okay, so I'll just finish adding. Okay, so we purchased tenant. I'm sorry, we purchased the license. We added the domain. It will take time. We'll try again. We created global. We learned how to create global admin. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll be coming back with the next video. Thank you.